Happy Washi Wednesday. Today we're going to make a really fun packing list for our bullet journal. I am in vacay mode, and so I thought this would be a fun one to do this week. I'm starting out here with one of my favorite washi designers, PenPaling Paula, her Summer Elements washi tape, and just making that my little decorative border. And then I'm taking our habit tracker sticker here and putting it on the corner because I want to put a calendar here in the corner where I can mark the dates that I'm going to be gone, and then also mark the days before where I need to be gathering my stuff and packing and doing laundry and prepping for my actual trip. So here I'm just kind of adding this decorative element. I am sort of running with my little rainbow theme that I've been doing over the past few months, and I love these thin 5mm washi tapes because they're just perfect for, especially my handwriting. I feel like they are the perfect width to kind of write on, and they section stuff off perfectly, and they add a lot of color and pop to my page. So I'm just going through and writing out my month here, and then I actually did a banner style here. I don't like it, so I'm gonna end up covering over it, so I'm just gonna fast forward through this little bit here. So I'm gonna take the 5mm tape and I'm gonna do 5 different sections. So I'm gonna five different colors. I keep it pretty simple. I want a section for clothing, a section for toiletries, a section for my tech because I tend to work while I travel. Since I work for myself, I'm still editing videos on the plane, from the hotel room, and there's always stuff to be doing on my travels. Unfortunately, it's never quite always a vacation. There's still stuff to keep up with. And then I have a section for downloads so that I remember to download certain things onto my computer or my phone before I get on the plane, and then a miscellaneous section. So I'm just gonna go through and write those titles on each of my 5mm washi here. And we do sell these in sets of singles like pastel, primary, tropical, but also we have a large rainbow set that includes all the colors that we sell. I actually love this set. I use it the most for my personal reasons. I would definitely link it below in the comments, and link it actually above here so that you can get to it. It really is a very versatile washi tape. And then I'm just gonna put my little check boxes as I go down because as I learned from Monica and Ross's mom, when you do a good thing, you get a check. Sorry, huge Friends fan. I had to have a little geeking out moment. Anyway, so I'm going to remove this banner style because I just really didn't like it in the end. I did want to incorporate that orange into the banner, but I also wanted to work in the pink from the PenPaling Paula tape that I used on my border. It just didn't seem to kind of like mesh well, so I ended up peeling that up, and I decided to do just a solid pink border that I would write packing list on, and then just to kind of frame it in the coordinating orange so that I could use all the little colors and tie my calendar back into my packing list. And of course, you can do a simple black and white packing list, but look how much more fun this is. It didn't take that long. It also allows you to just sort of keep it in your travel journal because it's just cute and attractive and not boring. And then when you're on your trip, when you're leaving, you can refer to it to make sure that you are packing everything to come back home with you. So I'm just highlighting here the weeks of my trip, and I highlight the 2 days that I'm packing a little bit darker, and my packing list is ready to go so I can prep and be organized for my trip. Hope you guys found this week's tip helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button, helps us out a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for all things washi tape, from our Wednesday washi tips to our journaling tips to our DIYs. And as always, guys, happy Washi Wednesday.